Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to use Vlookup here on Excel. Now if you are new here or if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so Vlookup is kind of confusing, so we're going to try and break it down into basics. So what we're going to do is you can see we have a column right here, we have a table, we have the amount, the numbers for the different things that we require. So we're going to start here and we'll do equals Vlookup. You can see it's just appeared there, so I'm going to click on that and it's going to give us our bracket. Now the first thing we're going to do is the lookup value. What are we looking for? So I want to look for Kiwi. Okay, so I'm going to click Kiwi, and then from here we're going to do comma, and we want to select the table itself. So this one's only 4 by 2, so we'll just select this. Once we've done that, again, comma, we then want to type in the column we want it to grab the information from. So we want it to be column 2. Okay, we want to know how many Kiwis there are, so we'll do column 2. Comma, and then we're going to type in false to give us the exact number. So if I now click enter, you'll see it has given us the exact amount of Kiwis. And if I want to change that, of course I can go in to E8, let's change it to E9 for example, bananas, click enter, and it will change and give us the number 10. Hope that was helpful. Any questions, make sure to leave them down below.